Our gaze to East Asia, where a strong earthquake hit western Japan earlier today. That's Tuesday, but there was no danger of a tsunami. The Japan Met Agency has said that the quake had a preliminary magnitude of 6.2. The quake, furthermore, occurred in the Shimane prefecture in northwestern part of the country. No injuries or damage to property were reported from the quake. For your benefit, viewers, Japan is one of the so-called Pacific Ring of Fire. Now, what is this Pacific Ring of Fire? It's one of the world's most earthquake-prone areas.
政府としては地震発生後直ちに官邸危機管理センターに官邸連絡室を設置し、被害状況の把握に当たっております。で、現時点で人的、物的被害は確認中との報告を受けておりますけれども、引き続き対応に万全を期してまいります。